Say good morning. Pandesal. Ito, malaki. Ito, dado, malaki siya. Kaso, mas gugustuhin ko yung, yung medyo crispy. Pero masarap siya compared sa isang binilihan natin. So, nabili namin yung pandesal. 5 ringgit, 7 pieces. So, 68 pesos pala siya. Ayun. 68 pesos yung 7 pieces. Pero okay na rin kasi matrabaho siya. Diba na-try ko na gumawa nito. Sobrang, ma-hassle. So, pwede na siya. Tapos, masarap naman. So, sulit na. So, ayun. Yung bago? Note po ba yan? Note? Hey. You want to play? You want to play your iPad? Okay, you sit down. Sit down. Sit. Ikaw mo sabi.
Sorry? Can I come back? But it doesn't have stock. Yeah, but even if booking, just buy. There's no stock.
16. iPhone 6.
iPhone 6
Gold.
16
Gold.
Just few more minutes.
Thank you.
iPhone 6 space for 60.
Yeehaw! Where's for iPhone 6? The window.
Small here.
Oh,
This one is not 6.
6 plus.
6 plus. This is 6. I like this one.
Which one is 6?
Gay day. Say no, Tito. No. You wanna go home?
Yes.
Let's go home?
Yes.
Okay.
Just a little more.
We have to pay first, okay?
I me first. Thank you.
Paano nakita ko magkano?
Ha?
Hindi mo na nakita ko magkano.
How much for the phone?
Iba yan. Hindi natin tinatanong yung
2399.
2399.
Mulat tayo.
Mami, hindi naman pala kasya sa... Ayun, nandito pala si Rita Luisa para pag nagkulang yung pera namin. No, okay. Where's Mommy's cellphone? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Oh, you'll fall down and bump your head. Wee! Ito na yung bagong phone ko. Wala pang SIM kasi nano SIM, micro SIM yung sa iPhone 4 ko. So, ayaw magpalit ng number. So, sa Digi-Center daw kailangan. Tapos ito yung binili kong casing. Medyo madulas siya. Yun yung hindi ko napansin na dad. Madulas, hawakan.
Ay, yung ano?
Casing ko. Di ba? Girl na girl daw, sabi ni Daddy. Parang hindi mo pwedeng hiramin, no? Girl na girl. Kasi gold yung pinili ko.
Patulan ko rin daliri mo para ma-unlock.
Motorcycle. Very good. Naayos ko na yung box na dadali namin. Dapat ipapa-ship ko siya. Kaso, baka hindi umabot. So, sayang. So, bibit-bitin na lang namin. Tapos, ipaparap namin. Pwede naman yun sa airport. Kesa magmaleta. Na-try ko na yun last year. So, mas okay. Mas marami kami nilagay. So, ayan. Kape pa lang nalalagay namin. Tapos, namili-mili na rin kami ng mga sabon-sabon. Sa bahay lang naman namin to, sa papa ko, tsaka sa ate ni Charlie. So, ayun. Tapos, ito, para sa bahay namin to. Sa IKEA. So, nag-sale kasi. So, ano pa ba? Ito. Yan. Isang set yan. And then, ito, curtain rod. Ito, hindi ko pa alam kung paano namin bibit-bitin. Yun. Yun lang naman. Tapos mga luma kong damit. What's that? That's Mommy's sheep?
Yes.
Where's her house?
There.
Ginupitan ko yung buhok. Who cut your hair?
Today.
No, who cut your hair? Who cut your hair?
Today.
No, Mommy.
Mommy.
What's that?
That. It's a big circle. Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
You put it there. Thank you. Sleep na ikaw, baby? You want to sleep? You want to watch Dragon?
What? Dragon?
Hey, what? Come here, let's watch. Sus. Kukunin niya yung pillow niya. Hurry up. Hey, where are you?
Tayo.
What? Let's sleep? Okay. Okay, wait, Mommy will move. Wow. Maluwag pa yung sapatos. Hey, look at Mommy. Hey, look at Mommy first. We're going to run. Ayaw ko na electric pan doon na, tita. Yes. No, no, don't remove. Say good night first.
What?
Hey,
What?
look at the camera. Look at the camera. Say good night.
Goodbye.
Bye. See you.
Yay.
Yeah. Oh, you hung your towel.